Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, today we have come up with various roles from these companies, out of which 2 are from L&T and other 5 are from E&Y, Emerson, Ditto, Genpact and Eclerx. So guys, before to start with E&Y, if you want these informative job videos to be shared to a possible number of people, please do like the video after watching. So which means your one like is indirectly going to help many other graduates who are actually looking for these kind of career opportunities. So now let's see what's the position from E&Y. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from EY for Associate Software Engineer role for all freshers from 2022 and 2023 batch, and also maybe 2021 batch can give it a try for this role, and for which they'll be offering around a 4,50,000 per annum, which is a very decent package for this role. And you'll get posted in a Bangalore location once you get selected for this position. And guys, before getting into other job details, if you want these informative job videos to be shared to a possible number of people, please do like the video after watching. So which means your one like is indirectly going to help many other graduates who are actually looking for these kind of career opportunities. So please do like the video after watching. And coming to your eligibility criteria, so all BE or BTech from IT, computer science and circuit branches are eligible to apply for this role, which means except civil and mechanical, all other branches from BE, BTech are eligible to apply for this role. And you should have at least a 60% aggregate throughout your academics. And you should not have any active backlogs while appearing for this interview process. So make sure that you do not have any active backlogs. And coming to your skill set, so you should have a good understanding of all software development best practices and software development life cycle, like regression testing, pre-production and production concepts. So just grab some knowledge on all these topics, and you should have a understanding or a knowledge on at least one programming language like Java or .NET or Python or data analytics, and also like databases like SQL, Oracle, Teradata, etc. And if you have done internship in any of these relevant technologies like Java or .NET or Python or data analytics, there will be a higher number of chances for your profile to be shortlisted quickly. But even then, this is like a preferred skill. So even if you do not have done any previous internship, it's not an issue. So that's about your skill set. So you should be a quick learner and you should have a must have an eye for detail. So that's about your skill set. Nothing much they mentioned about the role and responsibilities. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role for all freshers from 22 and 23 batch and also 21 batch from EY. So if you are interested in this role, just click on apply, and if you have any further details in filling these details, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's again a very good opportunity from L&T for postgraduate engineer trainee role, for which they're going to offer 6.5 lakh per annum. Also, they have disclosed the salary details, so let me show you at the end. And this position is open only for freshers from 2023 batch, and it's only for a postgraduates. So now let's get into other job details. So guys, you'll get posted either in Mumbai or Chennai or Bangalore or Gujarat location once you get selected for this position. And you will be offered a 6.5 lakh per annum for this role. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all MTech students, so all postgraduates from electronics and communication background are eligible to apply for this role. So no other graduates are eligible for this role, and you should have at least 60% throughout your academics, and you should be from 2023 passed out. So that's about your eligibility criteria. So nothing much they have mentioned about other skill sets and your role and responsibilities. So as they're hiring only ECE students, you would be expected to work on your core projects, which is again a very good thing. So like once your profile is shortlisted, you'll have to go through aptitude test. So once your aptitude test is done, you are good to go for a technical interview, which will be followed by HR discussion. So guys, that's about the skill set, that's about your interview process and your eligibility criteria for this role from L&D for all postgraduates from 2023 batch. So guys, this position has been posted around 6 days ago, so apply it as soon as possible before it expires. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have one more position open from L&T, which is senior engineer quality role, and you'll get posted in Mumbai location once you get selected for this position. So this position they have opened for all freshers and experienced. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience of up to 1 year, then also you're eligible to apply for this role. So although this position has been opened on 2nd May, but it is they have kept it still open, so just apply it as soon as possible if you are eligible for this role. So all BTech or BE students are eligible to apply for this role. So coming to your job description, so guys, this is all related to a construction related thing. So let me read out all your responsibilities in this role. So you have to carry out a MIVAN shuttering checking such as line, level, plumb, waterproofing, coordination with your MEP activities, billing certification, all vendors, WO amendment, material selection, connecting meeting with all your stakeholders, and documentation control with respect to all construction related project drawings and SOP, and verification of and quantities of bills and manpower, coordination with your architect and consultant in order to solve the technical issues, and you should be involved in making a sample plat and finishing activities of tower flats, and daily reporting to a line manager for your next day's activities. So making a documentation like DPR, WPR, checklist, pour card, a roster for pouring, etc. And RCC work of bungalows, drawing study and communicating with your consultant and architect for technical issues, estimation of bill of quantities and making bill of executed bill, and responsible for making all the arrangements of resources and materials for execution, and planning your day-to-day activities with respect to your schedule. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from L&T for all a construction related job. So guys, if you are interested in this kind of job, so apply it as soon as possible, as this has been posted a long ago, but they have kept it still open. So if you are interested, just apply it as soon as possible before it expires. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a senior backend developer position open from Ditto for all experienced candidates who is having a minimum of 2 years of experience. So you'll get posted in a JP Nagar, Bangalore location once you get selected for this position, and it's a full-time opportunity from Ditto. So it's not any contract-based job, and you can expect up to 10 lakh per annum or even more than that based on your experience. So getting into your eligibility criteria and experience details, so you should have a minimum of 2 years or more than that, and you should have a good knowledge or experience in Python, Django, Postgres, Redis, HTML, CSS, jQuery and Celery, and you should be able to build a scalable backend systems, and a hands-on experience with a low level and high level software design, experience with Django or DRF or other similar web frameworks, and experience with AWS or any other major cloud platform. So that's about your skill set. And coming to your role, you should be able to build end-to-end backend services and integrate the services from various stakeholders like insurers or payment gateways. And you should be able to improve the application by removing some low performance code in the application. You should be able to reuse the code and libraries for future use, and you should be able to work on a database migration, scripting, setup and administration. So that's about your role. So you'll be given a good health insurance, and also you can expect a salary of up to 10 lakh or even more than that based on your experience. And coming to your interview process, there will be around 4 rounds, which will start with introduction call, then assignment round, and then live coding round, which will be followed by a technical discussion. So that's about your interview process and your skill set and your role. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just click on apply now. And if you have any further details in filling these details, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Emerson company for analyst programmer role for both freshers and experienced, for which they'll be offering up to 4 lakh per annum for a fresher and even up to 10 lakh or a 15 lakh per annum for experienced. So you'll get posted in Chennai location once you get selected for this position. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience of up to 2 years, then also you're eligible to apply for this role. So coming to your skill set, here under skill set you can see they have segregated it as a preferred skill set and required skill set. So firstly, let's see what are the mandatory skills that are required for this role. So you should have a good knowledge on React JS and knowledge in JavaScript, object model, DOM manipulations and event handlers, and exposure on DevOps, and understanding of React JS and its main fundamentals like understanding of APIs, HTML or CSS, sound knowledge in ES6, variables, scoping, arrow methods, and troubleshooting and debugging skills. So and good communication skills. So let's see what will be our preferred skills as well. So it's good if you have a knowledge on writing APIs using a .NET, and knowledge on C hash, knowledge in SQL, data manipulations, probes and functions, and exposure in DevOps and Agile development process. So these preferred skills are not mandatory, but you should have all these mandatory skills which are mentioned under a required skill set. So guys, this is all related to our development role. So nothing much they are mentioned under responsibilities. So it will be all related to a development, like you have to write the code, test it and debug it and maintain it across the various platforms and technologies. So that's about your skill set. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all degree candidates in computer science or information technology are eligible to apply for this role. So all BE or MSc or MCA students, like all freshers, are eligible to apply for this role. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just apply it as soon as possible before it expires. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Emerson, which is a permanent work from home and which is a non-technical role from Hyderabad location, for which they're going to offer up to a 4 lakh per annum for this role. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity as it is a permanent work from home. And now let's quickly see other job details as well. So guys, they have a good number of openings for this position, which is 200, and your hiring office will be in Hyderabad. So you'll be offered around 2.5 to a 4 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience and performance. And coming to your eligibility criteria, so anyone 12th pass is eligible to apply for this role, or even any graduate or PG graduates like BE or BTech or ME or MTech or any other degree, BBA, BCom. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role. So you should have excellent communication skills, and you should be able to communicate clearly with all your customers and listen to their queries and provide resolution on time. So you should be able to use a desktop or laptop with the Windows 7 operating system, and you should have a knowledge on Microsoft Outlook and Internet Explorer and good typing skills. So nothing much about the skill set, that's it. And so mostly they're preferring candidates from Hyderabad, and even if you're not from Hyderabad, you can just give it a try. So additional perks. So you'll also be paid overtime and night shift allowances in addition to your monthly salary, and also you'll be given an internet allowance and Sodexo a meal card, and you'll be given a good health insurance. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just click this link below. I'll also be giving you the same link in the description. So just click this link and give your assessment right away. So if you are qualified in this assessment, then you'll receive an email from Amazon about the further interview process. So guys, that's about the role from Amazon. So if you are interested, just apply it right away before it expires, because it has been posted 2 days ago, and as it is a work from home, there are higher number of applicants for this role. So apply it as soon as possible. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a huge number of openings from Wipro for process associate role from Hyderabad location, which is again a non-technical role for all freshers. So coming to your job description, so you should be able to work in a night shift, and it comes under a customer service domain, a voice role. So any graduate like BE or BTech or ME or MTech or other degrees like BBA, BSc, BCom, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, and even a 12th pass is eligible to apply for this role. And for this role, you should have a minimum experience of 6 months and above, and it will be an added advantage if you have worked in some call center previously. So it's not mandatory, but it will be an added advantage for you. So for a fresher, they're going to offer 1,70,000 per annum, and also you'll be paid some shift allowances as you have to work in a rotational shifts. Like you can expect around 5 to 6k per month in addition to your monthly salary, and also for experience you can expect up to 3 lakh per annum. So you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and you should have a knowledge on all basic computer fundamentals and willingness to work in rotational shifts for which you will be paid shift allowances around 5 to 6k per month. And you should be able to communicate with all your customers and listen to their queries and provide a resolutions on time. So guys, that's about your skill set. Like you should have only a good communication skills for this role. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just click on apply, and if you have any queries in filling these details, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a direct walk-in from Eclerx company for finance fresher students from 2022 and 2023 batch. So they've already started this hiring process on 4th September, which is going to end on 8th September. So you can have your interview between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in these locations, Mumbai and Pune. So you can just observe this address here, and they're actually preferring only Mumbai and Pune location students, and also you are required to carry out your either graduation or post-graduation semester mark sheets in hard copy while appearing for this interview. So your designation will be apprentice. And coming to your eligibility criteria, all BBA, BCom, BBA, BBM students and all MBA, MCom and PGDM students from 2022 and 2023 are eligible to apply for this role. So any other graduates like a BTech or BSc, BA or other master graduate students are not eligible to apply for this role. So you can go through this job description as well. And also you should have a good knowledge on these topics like a capital market and its types, trade life cycle and its participants, understanding on investment banking, financial products or tools or instruments, Euroclear, CREST, DTC, trade settlements and emerging markets. So guys, grab some knowledge on all these topics here, and you should write these details like employee name Shiv Kumari Tiwari and employee ID 125482 on your resume while attending for your interview. So guys, if you are not qualified in this interview, so you can also give it a try after 3 months. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role for finance students, and it's only for freshers from 2022 and 23 batch. So if you are interested in this role, so just give your interview as soon as possible before 8th September in these locations, both Mumbai and Pune. So guys, that's a very quick information about these various roles from these companies. So if you are eligible in any of these roles, apply as soon as possible, and you can also refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel which are listed according to the playlist. So many of the jobs are still open in our channel, so please do check those as well and apply if you are eligible for those roles as well. And if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.